So I'm on the dashboard right now and I want to show you how easy it is to set up a bot on your website. So in this example, I'm going to use a done for you bot to build an email list. And if I come over to the general settings page quickly, you'll see that we are fully integrated with a number of different email marketing services, and we're also fully integrated with Zapier, which allows you to connect to thousands of different apps. Okay, so let's say for example I want to connect ConversioBot with Aweber. Now Aweber is a really popular email marketing platform, and all I have to do is a couple of clicks and that directs me through to a page where I can sign into Aweber to complete the process, and that's it. So let's now check out the done for you templates that you'll find in your account. To do that, we go to the Chatbot templates page, and on this page we've got a wide range of done for you templates. For example, you can see here that we've got a discount bot, and these are so powerful at driving huge sales. But the example I want to give is for list building. So I'm going to come down to the lead generation category, and I'm going to use this bot for list building because I want to build my list by offering my customers a free gift. But you can also use this bot to share your gift throughout social media. You can see that we've got the social sharing option, so it can drive you tons of social followers and build you a massive list. So let me show you a preview of how the bot works. Now the first thing you're going to notice is it wants me to engage with it straight away, and that's really important for getting the attention of your bot user. The next thing is it's going to ask for my name very near the start, and this is a really powerful way to personalize the chat. So I'm just going to pop my name in there, and you can see now that the bot continues to engage with me, and this is so much more engaging, so much more powerful, and so much more interesting than a normal boring opt-in form or pop-up or whatever it might be. You can see it's now asking me for if I want to take the free gift, so I'm going to say yes to that. And you can even use these done for you bots to collect phone numbers and all sorts of information. I'm actually going to say no to phone number because what I'm really interested in now is the email address, and that's what I want to show you guys. And it's going to ask me for my email now, so I'm going to pop that in quickly. Simon at ConversioBot.com. Now the email I've just entered there is automatically added to my Aweber list, and it also asks me here for legal permission to opt into our newsletter. So I'm going to say yes, and now I'm fully opted in. Now as the chat continues, the bot is going to ask me to share this on social channels. And you'll see now it's just confirming that the gift has been sent out to me. It's asking me now if it thinks my friends deserve to receive the gift as well. And if so, simply share on social media. I'm just going to show you exactly how that works. So if I was to click on Twitter, for example, the pop-up's going to open. And if you're already logged into Twitter, you're just going to be able to tweet that link. If not, it's going to ask you to log in, and then you'll see this screen and you can tweet that link. So this is a highly interactive and explosive way to get twice as many leads as an opt-in form and build your social following at the same time. And you can easily use this bot in your account with just one click. So all you need to do is come over to where it says use template, click there and confirm. And this is going to now add that bot to your My Bots list. But what it's also going to do is open it within the builder. Here you go. And if you want to customize the messages or add any more messages, then you can do that here. But you don't have to do a thing if you don't want to. You can click through the steps or go straight to publish and simply grab one line of code, which is down here, copy that and paste it into the code on your website, and that's it. In fact, I'm going to do this right now for one of my sites. So I'm going to go over to one at the back end of one of my sites here. I'm going to paste it in, hit save, and that is going to update live on my website within seconds. It's so easy. You'll be shocked at the results. We've built huge lists twice as fast using bots like this, and we've also got done for you bots to explode your sales. It really is an incredible software tool.